Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So for today we'll be looking at prime factors, and this will be our last subtopic under numbers. Prime factors. So prime factors of a number are factors that are prime numbers. So the factors of a number that are prime numbers. Now, for example, if we are looking at 12, if we take 12 for example, what are the factors of 12? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 6, and we have 12. From these factors, which of these factors are prime numbers? 2 and 3. So that means the prime factors of 12 are 2 and 3. So that is what we'll be looking at when we say prime factors. Those are the kind of things we are considering. So let's see number one. What are the prime factors of 24? What are the prime factors of 24? So let's see what you have. Now we'll draw, let's go using our division method. I think ways to draw this line well. Okay, let's do like this. Let's draw our line. Okay, so okay, so let's see. We have 24. Now, what do we do here? We are using only the prime factors to divide, only prime factors. So use only the factors that are prime numbers. Let's see what we'll get. Use 2. 2 into 24, that will give us 12. 2 can still go. 2 into 12, that will give us 6. 2 can still go. 2 into 6, that will give us 3. Then 3 here, we divide till we get to 1. Divide till we get to 1. So what are the prime factors? The prime factors will be equal to, now we have 2, 2, 2, 3. So the 2 are just repeating. So the prime factors of 24 are 2 and 3. These are the prime factors. So 24 has only two prime factors, which are 2 and 3. Okay, number 2, write 36 as a product of its prime factors. Write 36 as a product of its prime factors. So let's see what we have here. Solution. Okay, so let's see. 36. Okay, then okay, let's see what we have. 36. So we use only the prime